We need storage and we don't want to spend too much money. Sound about right? Yep, I encountered a bit of an issue which meant that this potentially wouldn't have worked for my room. And the hurdle that I crossed, I think, would help anybody have this in their room and fit in the tiniest spaces to make the most out of it. So I hope you enjoy the video. A little bit of a setback. It didn't seem like it wouldn't fit. The pole, even on the smaller setting, is too big. I discovered a hack. Move this one and this one as far away now. Kind of light. Okay, so this is what my trick is. I'm gonna extend this bit and screw that to the side. So it is not symmetrical, very DIY, but dem angles. Okay, so try and keep it interesting for you guys whilst doing it. And the benefit, once it's in, I can actually move and extend. Slide to the corner. And this to the corner. Guys, we have a stable thing. This is absolutely not how it was supposed to be. It was only supposed to be this bit. I'm gonna have to change and move it here. This bit's ready there to make it work. Yes, I've lost this as a shelf, but you know what? I think that's a really good hack, and I hope that helps you as well if you've ever had this issue.